Now we are coming to the sixth lesson, who I am. So in this lesson, a number of students' life is given, and they are saying that what they are like to become. So you also should know that after studying, or you are studying for when you go for higher classes, you will think that what you have to become in your life, what are you interested in, isn't it? Some will say I like to become a doctor, some will say I like to become an engineer or a teacher, or like that, isn't it? So for that then you have to go for your higher studies. Similarly, in this lesson also we are coming a, through a number of students who are having different aims, different interests and all. In this lesson, we look at what we are like and how each of us is different. So, all are not same, all are not having the same appearance, all are not having the same interest, isn't it? Everyone are having their own interest. So, it differs from one person to the other. We are all interested people in different ways, and we are all good at different things. So, everyone are doing good at one or the other. Everyone's interest is different. All are having their own talents, isn't it? Now we can see first one, who I am. So you should know who I am. Means what kind of a person are you? Understood? Many voices. First is talking about Radha. Radha is the first one. My favorite activity is climbing trees. So the Radha likes climbing trees. Do you like climbing trees? Yes, everyone like climbing trees, especially boys, isn't it? Girls are afraid to climb trees, but still some girls are very good in climbing trees. But majority, all, we can say, all the boys are interested in climbing trees. So here Radha's interest is climbing trees. Just outside our house there is a mango tree. Mango tree in your house also they may be there, which I love to go up. Its branches spread out, so it is simple to climb up the tree, and I can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches. Fork means the division, like this or like this. So from here is one branch and here is another branch. So she used to sit over here. Understood? This is a fork joining of the two branches. So mango tree is not very tall. In front of our house here there is a mango tree which is not very tall, and it is easy to climb also, and she used to climb on top of the tree and sit on the fork of branches. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees. But one afternoon she climbed up too, and both of us sat here talking and eating raw mangoes. When on high up in the tree, I feel like I can rule the whole world. So one her mother used to say, you are a girl and all, it is not good for a girl to climb the trees, isn't it? But one day, unfortunately or fortunately, what had happened? Her mother also climbed the tree, and they both were sitting on the branches of the tree and were eating raw mangoes. So both mother as well as Radha enjoyed sitting on top of the tree. Understood now? So Radha's main interest is climbing trees. Next we are coming to Nasir. When I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. So he wanted to become a seed collector. What do you mean by seed? Every fruits are having seed, isn't it? And new saplings grow from seeds. So he wanted to become a great seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. So they are having cotton plants, and every year he had seen his father spending more money to buy the new seeds for the next cultivation. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. So, Nasir's grandfather had said during his time, what the grandfather used to do? He used to collect good seeds from these cotton plants and keep it for the next cultivation. But his father, how is his father? He is buying the seeds, spending money to buy the good seeds. But today that doesn't work. So we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. So it was in grandfather's time they used to collect seeds from that plant itself, isn't it? They used to collect good seeds for the next cultivation. But then the time was over, and then in his father's time he is spending much money to buy the good seeds. I want to find out why that is so. So Nasir is asking why we have to spend money for buying seeds. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. So why did he want to become a collector, seed collector? Because his grandfather's time, grandfather used to collect good seed from his own cultivation itself. He is not spending money. But father's time had come, and how is his father spending a lot of money to buy new seeds for the cultivation, isn't it? So he is saying that I will become a seed collector. That means I will learn how to preserve, how to collect good seeds and keep it for the next cultivation. That is why he said he wanted to become a seed collector. Now next is Rohit. Third one is Rohit. So Rohit, according to Rohit, if I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they looked beautiful in a magazine picture. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. I want to live on the beaches of the Lakshadweep and dive down to see Karo. I suppose I should go to the Konark temple in Orissa or the old city in Beijing in China and the pyramids in Egypt too. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. So he wanted to become a traveler. He wanted to become a traveler. Traveling from one place to another, seeing all the old buildings and monuments and enjoying his life over there. Understood? If I had a huge, so for traveling, what should be there in his hand? He should have a huge amount of money. With the money only he can travel from one place to another. I would travel and travel, want to see the mountains, and he likes to enjoy the mountains of New Zealand because they looked beautiful in the magazine. So he had seen in the magazines the picture of the mountains. Then I wish I would sail down, then sailing in the Amazon River in South America on a raft. I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see Karo. That means going into the deep sea and finding all the Karo under the deep sea. I suppose I should go to the Konark temple in Orissa or the old city in Beijing in China and the pyramids in Egypt. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old buildings. So he wanted to enjoy the beauty of nature, isn't it? Beauty of nature. Enjoy the beauty of nature. So only a good traveler who can enjoy the beauty of nature. So who wanted to become a Rohit? Now we are coming to Sarbit. Sarbit. Now we will see what Sarbit wanted to become. What makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. So he is a good person, always an honest person, isn't it? He is always an honest person. So he is saying that when I say the truth, nobody is believing me. If I tell my teacher that I could not do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it, or I tell my parents that it wasn't me but my little brother who started the fight, or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test even if I have got bad marks, they all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. They look on their faces really angers. So sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. So he is an honest boy. I am not angry, isn't it? I never becomes angry. So he is saying many examples. Sometimes in the class, after studying and coming, maybe he is getting less mark. So he will go to teacher and say that he had studied but he was not able to write. But who is not believing? The teacher is not believing. Or at home, fight may be there with he and his brother. That time when parents are asking, again they are not believing that he did not start the fight. His brother had actually started the fight. There also they are looking angry at him. Then again, when he says that he was not able to do the homework because he did not understand, then who is not believing? The teacher is not believing. So she again looking at him in anger. So this is what Sabjit is saying, that when he tries to tell the truth, nobody is believing him. They are looking at him in an angry mood. So in order to control himself, what he is doing? He is looking at his feet and counting 1 to 10. So that when the number is counted, what is being gone from you? Anger is being gone from you. Understood? That is why it is said, in order to control yourself, count the numbers. Now we are coming to Dolma. Fifth one is Dolma. When I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. So she wanted to become the Prime Minister of India. Wanted to become the Prime Minister of India. Now we will see why. People always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. So when she says that I wanted to become the Prime Minister of India, everyone used to make fun of her. They used to laugh at her, isn't it? But Dolma is saying that my aim is to become the Prime Minister. So if everyone laugh also, for her no problem. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem. And my teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in school. That means she was a perfect student. If any work is given to her, she does it. So the teacher always have the trust on her. I want to make things better for everyone. So she is saying, I wanted to make all the things what is going on, and it is make it comfortable for the people. I want us to have good hospitals, roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cure for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. So she is saying, if she becomes a Prime Minister, she knows that there are many scientists in the world. She will make them do or find out or give them an opportunity to find out the medicine for all kind of diseases, so that who will not suffer? People will not suffer, and put an end to all the sufferings of the people, isn't it? Make them good enough. Then construction of good hospitals, roads and schools. Then lastly, talking about Peter. talking about Peter. My favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. On his day, our whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see a film. My father gets a ticket in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers, and I, take the bus there. In the interval, my father buys us peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall eating and watching the film. Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood, and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. So he wanted to enjoy with his family, isn't it? To enjoy with his family. That means every second Sunday, his favorite day is second Sunday of every week. Why second Sunday of every week? Because on that particular day, the whole family go for seeing a film. There his father, grandmother, mother and sister is there, isn't it? And my two brothers, sorry, not sister, two brothers. So they will get a ride on the bus and they go for seeing the film. And during the interval, father will buy peanuts, and again when the cinema film starts, in the darkness, he enjoys sitting and eating. So this is why he likes to have which Sunday? Second Sunday. That means enjoying too much. Then after the film is over, while coming back, they will have again ice cream. So he says that he likes to spend with his family on the second Sunday of every week, every month. Clear to you? So each one is having their own interest, isn't it? First we have talked about Radha. So Radha likes climbing trees, isn't it? So it is her interest to climb the trees, and many times the girls are being not allowed, isn't it? Only the boys have that interest, but here Radha has the interest of climbing the trees, and all the time her mother used to say not to do it, but one day a great surprise had happened. What was the great surprise? Her mother also climbed on the tree, and they both were sitting together and having raw mangoes. Thus mother and the child was enjoying themselves. Now we are coming to the next one, Nasir. Nasir wants to become a seed collector. Why he want to become a seed collector? Because he had seen his father spending a lot of amount for buying seeds for the next cultivation. They are having cotton plantation. So during his grandfather's time, how was it? Grandfather used to collect and preserve good seeds from his own cultivation, isn't it? And will be used for the next year. But his father, how is his father spending money for buying good seeds? Isn't it? He is not preserving it. So he wanted to study, he wanted to learn how the seeds can be preserved and can be used for the next cultivation. That is why he said he wanted to become a seed collector. Now we are coming to the third, Rohit. What is the interest of Rohit? He wanted to travel and enjoy the beauty of nature, isn't it? Wanted to travel both landways and sea, isn't it? He wanted to travel and see all the old monuments and buildings, and at the same time enjoy the beauty of nature. Now we are coming to the next Sarbit. He is an honest child, but nobody believes him, that whatever he is saying, everyone are looking upon him in anger. Why? They are not believing him. That means they have no trust on him, isn't it? Actually, he is not saying any lie, but others are thinking that he is telling lies. Now next we are coming to Dolma. What is her interest? She wanted to become the Prime Minister of India, and everyone used to make fun of her. At that time, what she is thinking? She is not worried about that, isn't it? She wanted to make good hospitals, schools and roads, and at the same time help the people to lead a comfortable life. Now the last Peter, to enjoy with his family members, isn't it? How he is enjoying with his family members? That means he likes his favorite day is second Sunday of every month. What is so special about that day? His father used to take the whole family for seeing a film. Who is along with them? Grandmother and his two brothers, isn't it? So all will go for seeing the film. And in the interval, father will buy peanuts and he likes to sit in the darkness and enjoy eating the peanuts. While coming back, again they will have a ice cream. So thus he likes to enjoy with his whole family. So these 6 students are saying about their own likings, about their favorite things, what they like to do. So once more we will go to the lesson. First, Ravi. My favorite activity is climbing trees. Just outside our house, there is a mango tree which I love to go up. Its branches spread out so it is simple to climb up the tree and I can sit comfortably in the fork of 2 branches. My mother tells me it is not possible for girls to climb trees, but one afternoon she climbed up too. And both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the tree, I feel like I can roll the whole world because that much height she is sitting. Now see, when I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. My grandfather told me that many years ago he would collect the seeds from his own plants which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. Now we are coming to the next one, Rohit. If I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they looked beautiful in the magazine picture. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see corals. I suppose I should go to the Konark temple in Orissa or the old city in Beijing in China and the pyramids of Egypt. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than old building. Sharbit. What makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. For example, if I tell my teacher that I could not do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it, or I tell my parents that it wasn't me but my little brother who started the fight, or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test even if I have got a bad marks. They all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. Their look on their faces really angers me. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. So he was avoiding his anger, isn't it? How? By counting numbers. Dolma. When I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that. But I am sure that I will do it. That confidence is there in her. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when I have a problem. Teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in school. I want to make things better for everyone. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures of disease and spend a spaceship to Mars. Great scientists in India for curing diseases and at the same time sending spaceships. Peter, my favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. On this day, our whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see a film. My father gets the tickets in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers, and I, take the bus there in the interval. My father buys us peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall, eating and watching the film. Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood, and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. So he was saying about his spending time with his family members and enjoying himself. Now, Peter's favorite day of the week is Sunday. Why? Because his father always because his family always goes to see a film. Why his favorite day is the second Sunday of every month? Yes, because his whole family goes to the cinema. Goes to the cinema hall. Goes to the cinema hall to see a film. His whole family goes to the cinema hall to see a film. Next one, Nasir wants to learn what? Learn how to preserve seeds. How to preserve seeds. That means without spending money, they can use these seeds for the next year, isn't it? For the cultivation of the next year. Now, Dolma believes that she can make a good Prime Minister. Why? Because there are many good scientists who will invent cures for diseases and send space ship to Mars. So why Peter's favorite day is second Sunday of the month? Because his whole family goes to the cinema hall to see a film. Then second one, Nasir wants to learn how to preserve seeds and use them for the next cultivation without spending much money. Then third one, Dolma believes that she can make a good Prime Minister because there are many good scientists who will invent a cure for diseases and send spaceships to Mars. Now, Peter is the only child. Right? True or false? Peter is the only child or not? Peter, the last boy, is the only child? No, he is having two brothers. So, the first one is false. Because he is having two brothers. When Sergey gets angry, he shouts at people. Are he shouting? No. How is he controlling himself? He is looking at his shoes and start counting up to 10. So that is also false. Nasir lives in the city. Is he living in the city? Where is Nasir living? In the village. Yes. So that is also false. He is living in the village. Then second one, get angry. He shouts at people. No, he controls himself. He controls himself by counting. He controls himself by counting numbers. Then first one, Peter is an only child. No, he is having two brothers. He is having two brothers. Fourth, Radha's mother enjoys doing things with her. Yes, that is true. Now coming to the next. Fill in the blanks to name the different kinds of intelligence. One has been done to you. When I enjoy listening to people and solving their problems, I use my interpersonal intelligence. So that you have to take the, you should read on page number 74 and 75. It is already given there. You should read what kind of intelligence are there. Understood? So here first one it is interpersonal. That means personally taking advice. Then when I enjoy dancing or physical activity, I use my dash intelligence. When dancing, what are we using? Our body, isn't it? Bodily intelligence. We are using our body language, isn't it? Now next one, when I enjoy looking at maps and examining papers, I use we are looking at something and we are at that time, what intelligence? Visual. Looking at. Understood? Now third one, when I enjoy working with the numbers and solving problems, doing mathematics, isn't it? So what kind of intelligence? Mathematical intelligence. Mathematical intelligence. So if you are having all this only, you can be an expert in all this. First one, body, dancing, doing dancing and all. If you are able to understand the body language, then you are good in dancing. Next one, visualizing. When looking at things and understanding, then it is visual intelligence. And third one, if you are good in maths, mathematical intelligence. And the fourth one, when I enjoy telling a story or also something what we are saying, what kind of intelligence, how much we are able to. So there we are verbal. Telling a story or telling any incidents, in that case, how we are saying it, that kind of intelligence, verbal intelligence. Now next question, master job on the left. Navigator, who is a navigator? One who find and monitor the route. Where? Navigator, direction of a traveling, yes. Then architect, who is an architect? One who designs. Politician, one who is engaged in politics. Engineer, the one who designs. Then computer, one who is an expert in computer program. Athlete, one is good in sports. Then composer, one who is good in creating music. Journalist, the person who is good in writing. Now the paragraph writing, so that people who read it will get to know you better. You should write about yourself. Writing about myself, certain 4 questions are there. And in that paragraph you have to include the answers for these 4 questions. What I enjoy doing most, what you enjoy doing most, then what makes me angry, what I hate to do, and what I want to become. So when you answer all the these answers for these questions, you will be able to write a paragraph about describing yourself. Now we have seen that about 6 students had saying about themselves, like that. When you write about yourself, these answers also can be included. So these are the questions, and before all the answers comes to you, you read the lesson many times and understand the lesson. It is very simple, saying about only the students, how are they interested and what are they wanted to become. Okay. So now we come to the end of the lesson. We'll stop over here. Thank you.